Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss something that often goes unnoticed. Small financial habits that slowly drain your money without you realizing it. Many people believe financial problems come from low income. In reality, financial instability is often caused by repeated small behaviors that seem harmless in the short term but become destructive over time. Let's examine these habits carefully. Ignoring small daily expenses. The first habit is underestimating small daily spending. A coffee here, a snack there, a ride upgrade, a small in-app purchase. Individually, they seem insignificant, but repeated daily or weekly, they accumulate into a substantial amount. For example, spending just $5 per day equals $150 per month. Over a year, that becomes $1,800. The issue is not the $5. The issue is repetition without awareness. Financial discipline begins with visibility. If you do not track your small expenses, you will never understand where your money is truly going. Emotional and impulse buying. The second habit is spending based on emotion, shopping when stressed, ordering food when bored, buying items because of limited time discounts, upgrading gadgets simply because a new version was released. Emotional spending bypasses rational thinking. Marketing strategies are designed to trigger urgency and desire. If you do not pause before purchasing, you become reactive instead of intentional. A simple rule: delay non-essential purchases for 24 hours. If you still need it tomorrow, then evaluate logically. This single habit can dramatically reduce unnecessary spending. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, expenses often increase automatically. This is known as lifestyle inflation. A salary raise leads to a better phone, more expensive dining, upgraded subscriptions, or higher monthly commitments. Instead of improving financial security, increased income gets absorbed by higher spending. This habit prevents wealth accumulation. The disciplined approach is simple. When income rises, increase your savings rate first, not your lifestyle. If your income grows by 20%, allocate a significant portion of that increase towards savings or investment before adjusting expenses. Not having a spending structure. Many people operate without a budget framework. Without allocation categories, money flows wherever pressure appears first. Bills, social events, promotions, sudden plans, everything competes for your income. A structured allocation system creates control. For example, essentials, savings, investments, lifestyle, emergency reserve. Without structure, spending becomes reactive. With structure, spending becomes intentional. Financial clarity requires predefined limits. Relying on credit for non-essential purchases, using credit cards, or installment plans for lifestyle consumption is a silent financial leak. Monthly payments may look small and manageable. However, when multiple installments accumulate, they reduce your flexibility. You are essentially spending future income on present desires. Interest compounds against you. Late fees add pressure. Over time, debt shifts from convenience to burden. Credit should be used strategically, not emotionally. If you cannot afford something without credit, reconsider whether you truly need it. Neglecting financial education. One of the most expensive habits is ignoring financial literacy. Without understanding inflation, investment growth, debt interest, and risk management, you make decisions blindly. Money left in low-yield accounts loses purchasing power. Opportunities for long-term growth are missed. Financial knowledge is not optional, it is a survival skill. Even basic understanding of budgeting, emergency funds, and investment principles can significantly change your long-term financial trajectory. No clear financial goals. Money without direction disappears quickly. If you do not define clear goals, such as building a 6-month emergency fund, saving for a home, or investing for retirement, there is no reason to protect your money. Goals create discipline. Without goals, spending feels justified because there is no visible consequence. Define short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial objectives. Then align your daily habits with those goals. In conclusion, money rarely disappears because of one large mistake. It disappears because of repeated small habits that go unchecked. Ignoring small expenses, emotional purchases, lifestyle inflation, lack of structure, misusing credit, avoiding financial education, operating without goals. These habits seem minor, but over time, they compound into financial instability. Financial discipline is not about restriction. It is about awareness and intentional decision-making. If you found this video insightful and valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future discussions about financial growth and smart money management. I'll see you in the next video.